So this is the place that everything that I buy and that I don't use comes to die. When I look back at all of this, it actually makes me stressed of all the stuff that I've acquired and it's just sitting there. It's kind of like a closet full of failure at times. I have some clear examples of stuff that I have bought and yeah, never in my life have used. This right here, it looks cool. Played with it once and that's about it. Society in general is taking us to where like everything has to be, you know, bought and like acquire and everything. And to be honest, I think that just like impairs you from being creative, right? Like the idea that you need more gear to like make more music and everything, we get lost thinking that, you know, it's gonna make me a better music producer, right? Sometimes it even like becomes a thing where like you have everything, but you're not making anything. Like right now, I was just thinking, no, I should just get this gear out and like start playing with it.
5 minutes later.
Like if you look at it, it's amazing. All the things that you could do with it. But when I hear something hilarious is that the fact that I don't even know where the power adapter for this is should give me an idea that I should probably sell this off, right? Like there's no point of keeping it around. This is just something that represents a little bit of my stress and failure of something that is I got to make more music, but it really is just collecting dust, as you guys can see. I have the gear right over there, you know, that makes sense to keep. Everything else is going to have to be sold, right? Like the idea that my son's gonna like, you know, like pick up all the stuff that I'm not using later on in life and that I can use it with him. Even though it sounds like a good idea, but at the same time, it's like, what if he doesn't like music, right? Then what's gonna happen? So like, I think that once he gets there, you know, I'm gonna be able to, you know, provide him with guidance, hopefully, so he doesn't end up like me owning a lot of stuff that he doesn't use.